Do you need to make a quick and easy birthday card? Well, I have a solution for you. Hey everybody, I'm Nick from the beardedhousewife.com. This is the blog and YouTube channel that shows you simple ways to craft your house into a home. Today I want to show you a really easy happy birthday insert card that you can make with your Cricut Maker, your Cricut Explore 2, or your Cricut Joy. Let me show you what it looks like. It says happy birthday here, and then all of this is cut out. It's a really easy project. I actually received an email on my blog from one of my readers. Hi, Michelle. She suggested that, or she actually asked me if I had a birthday card version after making my New Year's card. If you haven't checked out that video, I will link it above, right here. Like I said, it's a really easy project. It probably will take you less than a half hour. Probably a little bit less if you know your way around Design Space. So let's head on over to my blog. I'll show you how to get the free file, and then we'll get making it. Okay, so we are here at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to head over to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access to the library, you can click the Get Access tab and you will fill out a form and then you'll get emailed the password to the library. But for now, we're going to hit Enter the Library. Type in the password really quick and hit enter, and you're brought to the library full of all my files. You're going to want to head up to the happy birthday insert card, click that hyperlink, and you'll download it to your computer. Then we can open up Cricut Design Space and we can get started. I have a new canvas here in Cricut Design Space. We're going to head over to Upload, and then Upload Image, click Browse, find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, and hit Open. And then click down here and click Save. Highlight that image and click Insert Image. It's going to bring it into our canvas. And there we go. You will notice here in the layers panel, everything has already been set for you. So you don't have to convert any of the line types at all. One thing that I'm going to change, and this is totally optional, you don't even have to do this in Cricut Design Space. If you want to change the color of the pen, I'm going to be using a magenta pen. So I'm going to click that layer and change it to magenta, just so you can see what it looks like. Again, when you're actually going to make the card, you can just put the pen of your choice, the color choice, in clamp A, and it really won't matter. This is just for visuals here. Alright, we can head up to the Make It button. Sorry, my computer's being a little slow. Alright, and here is the matte preview. You see there's 3 different mattes. This is the outside of the card, and then the envelope, and then the card insert. Go ahead and click Continue. And then you'll choose the material. For this tutorial, I am using medium weight cardstock. So once you have connected to your machine through Bluetooth, you can select your material, and then we can get started. Alright, for this tutorial we're going to need the green standard grip cutting mat, your cardstock, the scoring wheel, your Cricut pen, a brayer just in case, Cricut scraper, and a little bit of adhesive. I'm going to go ahead and load the machine, get my pen and my scoring wheel loaded into the machine, and then we are on our way to cut this out. Okay, everything has been cut out. It is time to assemble, which really is going to take just a few minutes here. You're going to start by folding gently along the score line of the outer card, pressing along the fold line, and I'm going to get my Cricut scraper and press the fold line with the scraper. It makes a nice, clean, crisp fold. There we go. Grab your insert or your insert card and slip that into the little slots on the outer card. There we go. Alright, that's all done. There we go. Now I'm gonna fix those little areas that have kind of raised up with my adhesive. I'm gonna put a little adhesive on the back here and just press down. If you've seen my other tutorials for insert cards, you'll see that I do this a lot. This just helps ensure, especially if you're gonna mail the card, that everything stays nice and flat. There we go. How cool. I love how this turned out. Alright, let's do the envelope really quick. You're just going to fold along the score lines of the envelope as well. You can press the fold if you want with your scraper. Then add adhesive or glue to the two inside flaps. And bring the bottom flap up to form the envelope. There we go, all done. I think the birthday boy or birthday girl is really going to enjoy the card. Hope you guys make this one. I told you this was easy. I think they're so fun. It doesn't matter what color you use. You can use any kind of pen, any kind of color pen, and then change out the insert card, whether it's a boy or a girl or their favorite color. Go nuts with it. I think it's really, really cool, really easy. I hope that you guys make it. If you like this video, make sure that you hit like and subscribe so you know every time that I come out with a new video. Head on over to my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. I have lots of other card making tutorials. Card making is one of my favorite things to do on a Cricut. I also have lots of other Cricut tutorials there too, so make sure that you check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick. I am the Bearded Housewife. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you later. Bye.